This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Operator and going straight to the Magnifier tool. This gets you into the workspace without extra setup. Once open, grant camera permission and position your device so the subject fills about 1/2 to 2/3 of the frame. Make sure lighting is steady rather than harsh. This improves contrast and reduces noise. You'll see on-screen controls immediately. Tap the magnifier icon to activate zoom and prepare for framing before moving to fine adjustments. You now refine the view by zooming incrementally. Pinch or use the slider until text or small features are legible but not pixelated. Once done, make sure to tweak contrast and brightness. Filters such as high contrast or edge enhance reveal fine lines and improve readability. If you need steady detail, enable stabilization or switch to tripod mode so motion blur disappears. This matters especially at high zoom. Remember to reposition slightly if depth of field softens important details. You finish by capturing a snapshot or recording video once the view is sharp. Snapshots are fastest for static text, while recording helps with moving subjects. After capture, save or share directly from Operator and apply in-app annotate or measure tools if you need notes or dimensions. If things go wrong, say the image looks fuzzy, reduce zoom slightly, increase lighting, and verify stabilization is on. Doing these 3 fixes usually clears blur quickly and gets you usable detail without redoing the whole setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.